Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to create advanced e-commerce deals and offers automations inside GoHighLevel. For example, buy 2 shirts, get 3 free. If someone spends more than £100, you want to give them an email coupon, that sort of thing. And no, nobody on YouTube explains this properly. It took me longer than it should have, because when I first tried to set this up, the logic breaks, the triggers don't fire, the conditional logic is all over the place if you don't know what you're doing, and I'm going to break it down very simply in this video. But here's the crazy part: it's more complicated in your head than it is to do in GoHighLevel, and that's the part that was weird for me, because I thought I needed crazy automation. Watch how weirdly simple this is. It's still a little hard, of course, but it's much simpler than I thought. Okay, so let's go through it now. Please be sure to stay to the end, because once you understand this framework I'm gonna go through now, you can build almost any offer possible inside e-commerce stores. So let's do that now. Please like the video and comment anything you want, because I reply to all comments. So say hello to me. Okay, cool, let's go through it now. Okay, so what's cool is that GoHighLevel actually have some pre-built automations that I'll just quickly show you if you don't know. So just go to the payments tab, right? Go to settings, and then you just go to notifications and customer notifications. Make sure all these are on. They're good automations to have, but the ones I'm going to build are custom ones, like buy 2 t-shirts, get the 3rd free with a coupon code, right? Highlevel doesn't at the moment let you do it, and it took me time to figure out, so we're going to go through it now. So settings, customer notifications, we've got an abandoned cart automation. So if someone puts things in their cart but they don't actually go ahead and purchase, boom, an email goes out prompting them to go ahead and purchase. What you can do is actually go in and you can preview it. So you can go in and literally edit it, which is super cool. So you can add some sales psychology in here. Please watch this video here. My top 15 sales psychology tricks you need to know, guaranteed need to know when you're approaching clients or anything like that. So you can put some psychology tricks in here. You can go in and put your logo at the top, make it branded to your own. Super good. Then you obviously got your order confirmation. Someone purchases from your store. Go ahead, put your logo on the top and then keep it pretty much the same. The rest is fine. And then order fulfillment email, right? Same thing. Put your logo at the top. Change it up if you want. Done. But that's not what this video is about. We're here to know about how to make your custom automations for deals. Buy one, get one free kind of thing, right? At the moment, natively, you can't do it, but with an automation, we can. Okay, so I'm going to make an automation from scratch now. If you buy 2 t-shirts, you get the 3rd one free. Okay? And the way we're going to have to do this is that if someone purchases 2, we're going to have to send them an email with a coupon so they can purchase a t-shirt for free. First, we actually need to make the coupon, so let's go do that. Let's go. Okay, so go to payments and go to coupons and press create coupon. Free t-shirt, and we can just name this free t-shirt 2026. Coupon type, we can make a percentage, so 100% off, and you can start from today. It doesn't have to end at any date. Limit to 1 per customer. You don't want people spamming this hundreds of times. Only 1 time. And you can limit the amount of times it can be redeemed, etc. But yeah, let's just press create. So our code. Okay, so our code is free shirt 26. Let's copy that. Let's go back to the order. Okay, let me just name this buy 2 get 3rd free. Okay, so the trigger. Now the annoying thing is this is simpler than you'll realize. So all you need to do is order submitted. Now, this is where I went wrong. I started going to filters, order source is, then I went to store. Don't do that. Keep it like that. Okay, it looks too simple to be like correlated to our store, but it is. Okay, press save trigger. Okay, so now we need an if else statement. Okay, so let's say 1 t-shirt's £20. If they buy 2 t-shirts, that'd be £40. So orders over £40, we want to send them a coupon. Orders under £40, obviously we're not going to send them anything. But the thing is, we also want to notify ourselves when someone purchases, right? We want a pop-up notification on our phone, which we need. So let's do that. So let's go here, type in if else, come here, and then, okay. So the branches, first one's going to be order over £40, because let's say 1 t-shirt's £20. Order over £40, and let's go here. And let's go down to order and then go to order total is greater or equal to, and then just put in here 40. Okay, that's it. I got this so messed up so many times because I was trying to do different things with the order source, custom values, all this kind of crazy stuff. You don't need that. Order source, order total is greater than equal to 40. Done, right? And by default, this none branch, if the order isn't above 40, so it's 35 or whatever, they go down this none branch. So we've got above 40 and less than 40. So now we need to send ourselves an internal notification, right? And go to notification. You can send yourself an email, an SMS, or WhatsApp. I say just do a notification. If you don't have the Lead Connector mobile app, get it and sign in with the same credentials as your software on the computer. So that's how we're gonna get pop-up notifications on our phone. You can send custom notifications to your phone. So if someone's gonna purchase, I want my customer or myself to get that notification, right, on our phones. So notification, then do contact first name has purchased a t-shirt. Here I just tell myself check order, right? Check, okay, yeah, just tell myself check order. So it's gonna pop up on my phone, then redirect. So when I click that notification, I want to be taken to the contacts tab so I can see the contact. And then what user do you want to go to, me and my client, or if you are your own client, then just to yourself. So all users or particular user, let me just click myself. And that's it. Save action. Let's copy this over here. So copy action and paste it here. Because if people pay less than 40, we also want to know they paid. Do you know what I mean? So we want to know either way. Cool. So now we're knowing either way someone's purchased. But this one's gonna be a bit different. So we're not gonna put an email sequence here to say order confirmation, because the ones I showed at the beginning, remember, order total, order confirmations, Highlevel does itself automatically. So we don't need to do that. What we need to do now is these people that paid over 40, we send them in the coupon, email, and SMS. I'll say do email, because if you do SMS, if people purchase outside the UK, in my case, outside of your region, you may have a phone number just for your region, and then it won't go and send an SMS to France. But an email can be sent to France, Nigeria, wherever, right? So just put in your company name from email, subject. So I'm just putting a test shirt coupon, and then just go to ChatGPT and compose an email like this. So hi, contact first name. So we did that. Just go to here, custom values. Contact is them. So contact, so John, Harry, blah, blah, blah. Handle first name. Thanks for grabbing 2 t-shirts. As promised, here's your one-time use code for a free shirt. And then the code was, what was it? It was, I think it's free shirt 2026. Boom. Apply it at checkout and claim your free shirt. Enjoy. You should probably put in your URL. So click here and put in your URL for your store. Okay. Just like that. And then www. whatever. Like that. And that's it. Press save. That's that email going out with that coupon code, right? And I'm going to show you how this works in real time. Don't worry, because you may be skeptical. Then what you can do is you can go even further. What we can do is let's say you take 2 weeks to package, right? Let's wait 14 days. Let's wait 2 weeks. So wait 2 week-aroonies, right? Okay, so waiting 2 weeks, and we just send a Google review request. We send a review request via SMS, via email, right? Send a Google review request and boost your Google rankings that way, so you look better. Or if you don't do Google review request, if you don't have Google My Business set up, after 2 weeks, send an email, and that email can link to your Trustpilot. Done. Now you're gonna look 10 times better on Trustpilot. Game changer, man. Game changer. Okay, so then obviously be sure to always publish and save, because your thing will not work. So this is how it works in real time. So let me show you when someone purchases and how this automation fires. Okay, so this person over here added to workflow, order greater than 40. Let's view details. So their order was 50, so it's true. So they paid 50, right? And this has got the value, said it's true, and they've got the email. There you go, right there. They've got the email with the coupon code. So can we see the email? Yep, delivered, blah, blah, blah. Go to action, and it's the coupon code. Perfect. If you need one-on-one support with Highlevel, plus all these benefits here, be sure to use first in the description. Get 30-day free trial, plus all those perks, plus the snapshots, plus speaking to me one-on-one. Who doesn't want to speak to me? No, I don't know whoever wants to speak to me. But yeah, you can speak to me one-on-one, and yeah, I'll help you through. So as soon as someone signs up with me, what I do is the first call, we create a custom plan for you. We make a custom plan for your path to get your first few clients. If that's useful, be sure to sign up with me, because I'm the only one offering that. Cool. Please like the video. Comment something. Comment comment calculator. If you made it to the end, I just want to make sure, I just want to see who makes it to the end. If you do, I'll love you forever. So yeah, thank you, and bye.